Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining this video. It's going to be a series of COVID-19 analysis using Excel, Python, and Power BI. In this video, we'll be learning how to get our data sets and prepare it for our cleaning, which is also known as data wrangling. We'll be using Excel for this phase of the video. Kindly stay tuned. You're going to enjoy it, I promise. Thank you. Searching for by using this website, our holding data and opening it, been opened here already, showing us how it has been, just a breakdown. I think the legend, that is the color, is by country, and then so showing that of recent people still have COVID-19 cases. We're going to get our own data now, so able to do our own analysis. You can just play around with this. This is just for Nigeria from 19th of 9th of January 2020 till 18th of August. I think that was the last time the data was updated, showing that the highest COVID-19 case was September 2021. That's the highest date. I think this is for the death cases, and then was so frequent in 2020 as usual because we had our lockdown session that period. And also change the metric. So let's just change the metric to see what it looks like. So it's almost like amount of cases, and just download the data sets. It's going to bring us to the GitHub repository. GitHub is like a place where you can get your data and download it yourself. So it says it cannot show us because the file is really big. So if you click on this, it's going to double click on this. It's going to automatically start downloading here. That should take time. Showing here that the dataset is 93.8 MB big. I started downloading it before, showing that it's like actually 98.1. I'm going to be downloading it. So I'm just going to play this and to start downloading. When it downloads, we will open it in our um open it in our Excel file and start the work. Let's see what downloaded here. I don't know if that was the actual data set because it downloaded quite fast. That might still be blank data set. So yeah, it has 98 million characters. That's a lot of work. We have a lot of cleaning to do. So after downloading, we don't really need this anymore. So we can just close the website and open our Excel file. So we go to Microsoft Excel. Excel file. After opening it, you're going to automatically show you this home page. We're using the open part. So we're browsing and it has selected just Excel files here. We're going to change it to all files. Double click and check on that download because I just downloaded it. So this is 93.8 MB and this is what we're going to be using today for our COVID-19 analysis. And it's going to take a while to load because it's a very big database. And this is what it looks like in the raw form. You can see that there are so many informations that we really do not need and we need to sort. So the first thing we'll be doing today with this database is copying all, which we did by Ctrl A. Why did it go down? So first we format it autofit column width. This is because of the date column. So we'll have enough um, space for the date to show. So this is what we have here. So next thing, we formatting it as a table because we have the header column. We would not unclick this box. We're going to click this box and it's going to format as a table automatically. Um, the data set is very huge, like I said earlier, so it is really taking time to load. So this ISO code column, we don't need it because we already have the country name in full. So we click on ISO code column and go to the home part. You can always right click and delete, but just to be very familiar with the panes here, so delete the column selected, and then we need the continents just for the sake of analysis. We're not going to be removing that, and you can see there's some blank um, rows here. So we need total cases, we need new cases. We don't need total cases because we can always add our total cases. It's taking a lot of time to load. It's very bulky. So new cases, when we add them together, see the what's total cases. For instance, because this Excel is really malfunctioning, we might as well just use Python for our cleaning to make it faster and easier. For instance, this is what I'm saying. It is adding it together because they were just one case in Afghanistan on the 1st of March, showing years 7 already. So we don't need these total cases to avoid um, confusion. So we click on it and we click on other columns that we don't need. We press Control on our keyboard. Then we click on, for instance, new cases muted, we don't need it. Total deaths, we don't need it. New deaths muted, we don't need it. Total case per million, we don't need it. New cases per million. You can always leave the columns if you think you would need it. But personally for this project, I don't need it. Okay, my laptop's acting up again. So control and click on it. And as many columns that you don't need, control and click on, and then we delete at once. We still have a lot that we actually want to remove because we cannot deal with excessive big data that we might not need. So reproduction rates, most countries don't have the reproduction rate, so to ensure accuracy, we are not going to include it in our analysis. So let's just click on everything. It takes a long time to actually load. And it's because the data set is lots. So production rate as well. We can delete that first. The highlighted columns are going to be deleted from new deaths, new cases, new deaths, new vaccinations. We don't need the totals because we are going to end up getting totals when we run a sum formula. So delete sheet columns from new vaccinations to population density and median age. This median age, you can still use it for some analysis to show the age. I don't think we need population density if we already have the population here. So we go back again and delete those ones. Just give your laptop time because the data set is actually really, really huge. So you can leave this median age, like I said earlier. So yeah, our business is with people. We also have stuff here and delete sheet columns. Population density, it's taking a long time to actually load. So population density, click on it, and excess mortality rate, control, click on it. Excess mortality cumulative, you don't need the mortality rate. and click on this as well. So delete as well. To reduce the just delete cells entire column. To click on that. So we have just 8 columns that are needed for this analysis. And median age, do we need the median age? Because I just realized that median age is going to be quite a lot. Maybe the same for each country. So what we need is cases, vaccinations, population, and so on and so forth. So click on this and also delete this. So we have just 7 columns, which makes it easier. When you use this drop down, click on just Africa. It's going to show us African countries, just the African countries. So it will be easy for us to run our analysis. Okay, so we're going to be clicking on just blanks to remove our duplicate values. Sorry, I said duplicate no values. So these no values are countries in Africa, and I feel like as a country that we actually did not get the name. So instead of just assuming, you have to remove all country A. Not totally country A. We're not going to control select the um one. So control select this and it deselects. So delete cells. Yeah, delete cells. So any column that has a blank value definitely does not involve the continent anymore. We have successfully gotten our data and prepared it for the analysis using Excel. In our next video, we're going to be cleaning it using Python and for cleaning. Then the last video will be our Power BI dashboards and how to write a report on our analysis. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Bye.